we go guys, just leaving the mooring. Just got the lid off the outboard so we can play around with the revs, because it likes to get stuck into full throttle pretty much. And all we're doing now is we're going to head under the bridge.
Wait, this one has paintwood.
I am. Oh, this is fine. There you go, it saves a lot of time. Yeah, these two are fine. There we are. Mooring under the bridge. We come through. The lovely cat there. Right guys, we're at one of our marks that we're going to try. There's a few markings on there. That looked like a fish to me, just the way it started there. It's really red. We're swimming down. But we shall see. Got a secret weapon with me today. Solent Baits peeler crab oil. So I'm going to be using some of that. What's up guys, we just got set up on the boat. We had the first bite. There's something there. First drop, fish straight away. It's always a good sign. Let's see what it is. It's a dog. Here we go. First fish. There's a dog. Here we go. PB plaice. Lovely fish. PB mile by mile. I was caught on a strip of squid on a size 2.0. Greedy old thing. But here we're coming home for dinner. Here we are. Lovely fish. We had the plaice and a few dogfish so far. I was hoping to get a hound, still plenty of time. But that herring, cut that up, a nice big fillet. Just do strips of that. Mackerel, squid, and we've got peeler, live peeler. Cuttle, there you go, apparently had some fish there, 10 foot or so. Right, the tide's pulling pretty hard, got 12-ounce lead on. Got 12-ounce on the sabikis as well. Just to try and keep it near the boat, don't want to get it tangled up. Here we go, guys. I had a slow bite, little pull downs, just struck into it. There's a bit of weight on there.
Yeah, 12 inches.
But staying deep. Come on. Bending the rod. Do need to buy a net for the boat. There we go, it's starting to come up now. Whoa. Can you lift my other rod up, big, so I can go under it?
Oh, Jesus, fucking wet. Just because I got stuck in the boat. Popped over the hill.
Here we got Ray. Yeah, let me go under.
Get that.
No, it's alright. Don't worry. No, it's not spotted. There we go, guys. First ray. Here we go. Lovely spotted ray. You can tell because on the blonde rays, the spots, they run right to the edge of the wing. Lovely fish. Look at that. There we go, we'll get it back. And he's gone.
Bite as well, little bite.
Yeah, we've got a lovely ray, spotted ray, lovely place. Pete's on. Ray, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bending the rod, look.
It's only because it's a 2 to 3 ounce.
He'll be going for a nap. This will tire him out, it will. This is coming on Sam Squid from Solent Baits. It's a dog. He's a dog. Some of us know a good fish when we got one on. Some of us just think we do. Isn't that right?
Holy shit.
Here we go, in again, guys. Just as I was about to make a cup of tea. Here we go, look, we've got a yachty behind us. He's got the whole ocean to himself.
They were fucking near you.
Oh, but he's close. I know.
These craft, you're not bluefin
Stop
tuna.
swearing.
You're not bluefin tuna fishing, are you? Long line in 2 miles out.
Not with you, I ain't. You never catch nothing.
Oh, shut up, I've got a bite.
It's probably me.
Oh yeah, got a ray on your coat. Tell me the knots.
Some of us can, yeah. Some of us just get confused with a dogfish.
Radiographic to see spots in your eyes.
Yeah. Oh, what is it? It's not a ray. It's an eel. The conger.
Can't tell the difference between a ray and an eel.
Oh, we made a right mess of a rig that took me ages to build. What? No, I need this for my species hunt. Here we go. Nice strap. Try and get it unhooked. That's what they do to your rigs. Absolutely demolish them. There we go. Nice little strap.
Oh yeah, shadow. The dogfish property.
Here we go guys, first hound of the day. Not too bad. Got all tangled up and coming backwards. Foul looked.
No, it wasn't.
That's foul looked.
Just pulled it out of its nose.
That don't count.
Just pulled it out of its nose. Don't tangle it.
Right, let me grab the camera.
Good. Oh, baby squid. Look at that,
There we go.
25 pounds tote.
Chuck it back then. I just moved Mark guys, it was getting a bit choppy out there. Wind was picking up, fishing had slowed down, so we didn't move too far, just come inland a bit. It's still choppy, so just making a cup of tea, and if we don't get nothing by the time I've done that, probably move in a bit closer to land again. It's a southerly wind I think, that should get sheltered, and try and find some fish that way. As I was saying before the camera died, just going to make a cup of tea, see how it goes, see if it calms down a bit. If it doesn't, then we'll head inshore a bit. We've got the kettle on. Just anchored up, just by the fort, one of. Pretty flat here, I don't know if you can work that out there, but there seems to be, well, it just seems to stop. Got white horses and it goes to nothing. It's got something to do with the seabed. Yeah, we're in 60 foot of water. Been here about 5 minutes, had a first bite, Pete has. Missed it as usual. Got the blame as usual.
Yeah, you got it right first fucking time.
He's had 2 cups of tea at me,
I made you a cup.
and I still get moaned at. There we go. Light on this rod. The only rod out actually for me.
Makes a change. Normally he's got 5 or 6 out. But then again he's pulling his face. Oh, he bird is rocking. Oh, look at it.
First bite of the day to pull line. Ain't given no head shake.
Oh, rock and dump, do they?
No. Come on.
Upside down dunkfish.
Look here. Take that. You'll see it in a minute. It's a hound, it's a nice hound. No, okay. On crab, Pete.
Eh?
On crab.
Yeah.
Let's run.
More than mine.
There we go. That's what we come here for. Nice hound. Very disappointed it didn't give a scrap. I'll get it back. Here we go. Pete's first fish of the day. First decent fish. Looks to be a hound. Was that on crab?
I don't know.
Can't remember.
Probably. It's bait presentation, you see, and keen eye on what's actually happening to your rod, so you can hook fish in the mouth so that they fight back. Unlike you, Jake.
Didn't I just have a hound?
Yeah, but you didn't know it was on.
I knew it was on.
It didn't fight back.
No, it didn't fight back.
You didn't
but
know what it was.
I knew it was on.
I know, I got a fish on.
Oh, that's fighting, isn't it? It's doing what mine was doing.
There you go, look.
You've only got a 3 ounce
I
rod.
can feel it going on.
It's probably a little smart little 1/2 ounce with a bit of seaweed on it.
This is where experience comes into it. You can't bully it.
You just keep enjoying that because it's the only fight you've had this year. This is where it's come off.
It's
gonna lose it. It's gonna lose it.
Probably the master.
Get the net.
You ain't got one.
I thought you'd bring one.
You don't want to come there, he's stuck.
It's quite easy to get stuck in water, isn't it? Halfway up. Very sticky patches. You look quite handsome in this light, Pete. The sun's
As long as they don't smile.
the sun's fading, look. Good old silver fox. Should see him in a minute. It's gonna be here in a minute. It shoots down, you've got to start all over again. Nice bend in the rod. Where's it gone? Where's the line gone? Where
Just
there?
down there. It's gone back a bit. Where those water, where those bubbles are.
You're making the most of this, aren't you?
No, it's coming now. It just stops there every now and again. It stops. It won't do nothing.
What are you grunting for?
Fucking hard work.
It's only a little one.
And it's a dog.
Yeah. It's tangled, isn't it?
Yeah. Coming in sideways. And the dog, it's a smurf.
Yeah, it's a smart. Of course it is.
He don't like it, does he? He don't know which his head up or down.
I've got it.
No, I want my leg.
Yeah.
That's it. Got a bit of pull on him and that tight. Don't start kicking me rod over. One nice fish, returned properly, not just thrown in the water like Jake.
What's up guys, we're out on Andrew's boat. We've got Andrew there, he just had a bite. We've got Charlie. You gonna do some fishing today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Of course.
Gonna catch the biggest fish?
Most likely.
Well, we've got, Andrew's got one rod out at the minute. I've got two. Anything on it?
Not sure.
No. We'll see. We've only been here 5 minutes, just put the rod out.
Doggy.
Got a dogfish. Saved the blank already. Not a big one. Nice. Nice markings. You had a dogfish for your hunt, haven't you?
Yeah.
Just had my first bite. There we go. That's not a dog. You hold that, Charlie.
Oh. That is not a dog.
Just is.
It's like it's a rag.
Yeah. It's holding bottom. I think it's a ray, it's just sat in the tide.
Oh, brilliant.
No, it's a hound coming up backwards.
Let me get the...
He's tangled up. There we go.
Might grab that.
That'll be alright.
Yeah. You got one for your Reese's hunt yet, Jake?
Yeah, a little baby one. Come on.
The screen's just gone black. What does that mean?
It's just where it's still going on. Just tap it in the middle. See it?
Yeah.
There we go. First fish. Nice little hound, probably about £3, £4. We're gonna film it going back. It's gone. There we go, it's had a nice bite. Get the fish on. Actually pulled some line off, isn't it? Going under the boat towards the...
That's the hound then, isn't it?
Yeah. You can see it. Another hound. Bit bigger than the other one. I should be able to get it. Tangles. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Camera's gone black, Jake.
Yeah, it's still rolling. There we go. Another hound. water's coming.
Oh, great.
Might not feel it that much, but little dogfish playing with this, I think. It's on, whatever it is. We're only in about 50 foot of water, it's not too deep. A dogfish. Just a little baby dog. Here we go. Andrew's caught his first ray. Well, not his first ray, but first ray on a boat, his own boat. It's either spotted or a blonde, I can't remember. The spots are pretty much to the edge of the wing. Yeah. Not been here long. You've had hounds, dogs, and now a ray. There we go.